MLB Mixer, pick your team break number 4604, May 26th. Thank you guys for joining the break. Hit that we're live on the main before we start it. The team's pinned up in the comments below. All cards will ship, everything cased up on the spot. If you have a card with multiple team owners, we'll go to the randoms 3 times, top of the list after 3. It's going to get that card. We'll be done at the end of the break. We got one 2025 Bowman Hobby Box, 2 2025 Topps Chrome Black Hobby Boxes. We're going to start with Bowman Hobby. Good luck here, everybody. Hopefully you can see something monstrous for somebody, whether it's from Bowman or Chrome Black. Feels like could be due in Bowman here for something nice. Looking for gold or better. In terms of breaks, next break going up is going to be that football break. That's going to go up at 1. There might potentially be another black box today. We'll try and see how the day goes. But there'll definitely be a couple more breaks tonight. Base, we got Chang, Casas, Acuna, Emmanuel Rodriguez for the Twins, Corey Lewis, Fiend for the A's, Montia. Just get this a little bit closer here. Santana, Thomas White, Clase, Chapman, Brooks Lees for the Twins, Rockstar Rookies, Ramirez, Echeverria, and Jesus Lopez. Twins going to Jake. Reptilians coming up, Orlando, Bobby Wood Jr., Sagasi. We have Roki Sasaki on the greatness loading for the Dodgers. Nice one for the D-backs, Slade Caldwell. Arizona is going to Matt. Reptilian. Roki is also for Matt. D-backs, Dodgers. Greatness loading, Roki. Start building this out. Behind that, Santa Brias for the Padres and Quinn Matthews, Cardinals. Hernandez, Hampton, Churio, York, Arozarena, Jack Caglione. Walters, both for the Royals and Cruz. Kansas City, Kevin Jackson. Lindsey, Wilkinson, Seager, Schwellenbach, Jesus Mate, top 100. He's the 10th prospect. Santos, Cruz, and Jang. Jesus Mate, insert. Flores, Lara, Adames, Guerrero Jr., Cattell, Fernando Cruz, Jack Lyons, and Payne. Still looking for that auto or numbered card. No numbered cards yet. Kobe Mayo rookie, Kim for the Dodgers, Velasquez, Kellen Lindsey, Christian Moore for the Angels, and Escobar. We got Johnny, Level, Perdomo, Devers, Jace Jung for the Tigers, Dylan Cruz, Rockstar Rookies for the Nats, Jan Arias for the Red Sox, Chrome First, and Leo DeVries. Red Sox, Brandon Scott. Nationals going to Trevor. Not a crazy amount of action yet. Another Reptilian, Urena, Caminetti, Riley Green, Ellie. VIP will be a Max Clark for the Twins, Andrew Morris, Reptilian, Cody Freeman, and Mitch Jepp. I think the second half of this one's going to have pretty much all the heat. Still got 3 to go, though. The front here. Quintero, Corey Lewis, Salvi, Rafaela. There's Skeens for the Pirates. We got a numbered card behind it? No. Skeens, Treasure, Trove. Insert. Rafael Flores for the Yanks. Perella for the Guardians. And Higgins Smith. Pirates for Jake. The Skeens. Charlie Condon. Morris, Yelich, Henderson, Cole Young, top 100, Gonzalez, Basalo, and JJ for the Cards paper. Auto pack front. This is going to be an orange, I believe. Good luck here. Indahar, Tibbs, Reynolds, Gilbert, Corbin Carroll. Is it? Or is it just a Reptilian? It is Drew Jones for the D-backs. Orange Reptilian to 25. Nice card for Arizona. Excuse me. It's going to go to Matt. A lot of Reptilians up there. 13 to 25. Drew Jones. First numbered card, Fuentes, backside, O'Neill Perez. Second half, we'll have the ink. Should be seeing some more numbered cards. Good luck, everybody. Luis, Joseph, DeGrom, Skubal, Eldridge, Fontelli for the Angels, Quinn Matthews, and Kaysen. Hope, Teal, Abrams, Judge, Jace Jung for the Tigers on the Rookie of the Year favorites, Castillos for the Halos, Chase Mobley, and Janik. Barrios, Wright, River Ryan, Jackson Merrill, Thomas White for the Marlins, Mejia, Rodriguez for the Brewers, Loma Vida. Got a green on the back end. We'll see if there's ink here. Keys, Yamamoto. McClanahan. Is this red or what do we got here? Red rookie, Rhett Lauder. What a Cincy. Reds for Daniel, Rhett Lauder. Letson, Bazana, and Kate Horton's number to 399 for the Cubbies. Cubs going to Timothy. Kate Horton. Second numbered card. Mini diamonds coming. Gil Hill, Gonzalez, Tovar, Olsen, Christian Moore on the VIP. Kevin Castillo for the Angels. Going to be for Kevin Jackson, D'Angelo Ortiz, and Tavares. Been pulling a lot of Castillo. The glass mixer, he was all over it. Tink, Garcia, Holiday, Trout, Adley, McGonigal for the Tigers, Connor Griffin, and Sullivan. Javier Correa, Albies, Connor Griffin, VIP, Thomas White for the Marlins, Malcolm Moore, and Showalter. Painter, McAdoo, Mookie Betts, Zach Neto, Jackson Jobe for the Tigers, another Rookie of the Year favorites for Detroit. Javier, Big Poppy's kid, and Fiend. Got 4 packs left, still looking for the auto. Fuentes, Petrie, Otani, Lindor, Rodriguez for the Brewers, Morlando, Perdomo, Ugarte. 3 left. Jackson Joe, Machado, and here it is, Gregory Berrios for the Rays, Tampa Bay's Will. Berrios will be our ink. Will Overton from the final filler. Well, I actually shot you a message about that. I don't know if you saw it, but it looks like it panned out for you. Perez, Jang, Christian Campbell, 2 left. Probably would say maybe one more numbered card. Close this out here. Maybe not. Cruz, Shota, J-Rod. Here's another Dylan Cruz. Insert greatness loading. X-Fractor of Luis for the D-backs. Cam Smith and Santos. One last pack. Another one from Matt. Good luck, last pack. Still have Chrome Black as well. Base, Lawrence Butler, Martinez, Hernandez for the Cardinals, Boston for the Angels, and Guerrero is going to cap it. Moving on to Topps Chrome Black. Give me a second. Get into it. Two boxes coming up. See if we got any good color on the peel for this one. Box 1. Box 2. This one didn't have the Chrome Black thing fell off on this one. I wonder if it's in the box. Maybe it's on the pack. Doesn't have the little sticker closing the mag. Let's get into it. 6 carders coming up first. Good luck, everybody. Pack 1. Green to start to 99, Wyatt Langford for the Rangers. Romo for the Rockies. To 99 Nationals, Darren Baker. 58 of 99. Darren Baker. Guerrero Jr. base, Justin Steele and McRae. Pack 2. Orange, good luck here to 25. Second orange of the break to 25 for the White Sox will be Lou Bob. I'm fully expecting him to get traded. So Lou Bob definitely have a sudden boost in his value. 24/25 White Sox. That's going to Renato. Gunner, Spencer Steer, Seager, and Alvarez Jr. Two packs left here. This is going to be to 15, I think. I believe to 15. Bliss, Blake Snell. Show us a rookie. For the Guardians, rookie Jenkins Noel. Nice one for Cleveland. This one's numbered 1/15. First on print for Big Christmas. Nice little color match. Good looking card. Guardians going to Jepp. Nice hit there. To 15 on the Jenkins. We have Colts Keith for the Tigers, Freddie Freeman Dodgers, Logan Gilbert. Final pack, 6 Cardinals. And a golds, or maybe a yellow. Jace Jung for the Tigers, Mason Miller. Rookie for the Mariners to 50, Ryan Bliss on the golds. 30/50 for Seattle. Mariners going to Paul. Bliss to 50. Contreras for the Brew Crew. Hers and Chapman will do it. 2 autos coming up. Good luck here. Low numbered stuff out of the 6 Carders though for sure. Orange, ruby, gold. First auto, without the little sticker. Phillies, Cliff Lee, base autograph. Phil's going to Kane. Cliff Lee's going to be our first autograph. Base autograph, not numbered. Nice. Final one will be a blue going to the Red Sox. Jamie Westbrook, rookie autograph to 150. Boston's Brandon Scott. I'll close this out. Westbrook to 150 on the blue. Give me a second to do the recap in this one. 1 second, everybody. Appreciate you guys once again for filling this one. If interested, there will be that football break coming up next. Skim through the recap here. Base. Papers, more inserts. The Reptilians, Slade, Morris, X-Fractor Luis, Mini Diamond of Castillo. Some of our numbered cards: Lou Bob's to 25, Baker to 99, Horton to 399, Bliss number to 50, Drew Jones to 25, and Joe Kenzie to 15. Good amount of low numbered stuff in this one. Autographs: Barrios for the Rays from Bowman. We had Cliff Lee on the base auto for the Phillies, and Jamie Westbrook to 150, blue rookie autograph for the Red Sox. Thank you guys once again for hopping in. That football break's going up at 1, so about 30 minutes. Might be a black box break today as well after that. And then we'll see how the day goes. Appreciate you guys. I will see you on the next. Peace out.